Hi guys, welcome here to Huni Tunes. This is my 2004 Freelander 1 TD4 HSE edition, and today we'll be doing the headliner because it looks horrendous. Okay, welcome guys. We are here in my garage. Okay, no, never mind. So yeah, we're gonna start taking the headliner out now, and hopefully after watching this video you will be able to do it at home as well, in your garage. Sound. So we'll start with removing these little plastic covers. Okay, so that's basically one handle off. And then we'll just continue going around here to the left to back as well. Okay. Taking off this light. There we go. Just unplug it there. Okay, push the cable back.
And as you can see, there's a couple of these plastic inserts that just pop out. There's two of them in the middle and then two situated at the rear.
There you go. One on this side as well.
You can also notice on your driver's side there is no handle. It also has these little inserts that just pop out, and then you can just move over to your center light where you can just plug out the connector and just push it in so it doesn't get damaged, and then you can move over to your sun visors. Also just unscrewing them, getting them out of the way. Taking off all the plastic trims situated in the front, then you'll just be left with one of those little plastic inserts in the middle as well. I basically just put my hand in the trim, started making my way around, and also just removed any trims and plastic trims that are in the way, just enabling you some working space in between the roof lining and the plastic trims. You can put a bit more effort in and actually remove the whole plastic trim at the rear. I basically just wedged them to the side to enable a bit more working space in between the roof liner and the plastic trims while I'm getting attacked by dust particles.
I don't think this is a good idea. Okay, same. This side. Well, what a mission. But yeah, it's art. As you can see, it's a bit old. Stay tuned for the new one. Okay, now we can actually proceed with taking this off. You can actually see this cloth comes quite off easily. This minimum like glue keeping it on. So we'll just remove all of this. Okay, so now we've got all the fabric off. Now it's just to clean all the surface. Woo. And my assistant now, he's called Henry. And he's gonna help us basically clean off all the rest of this. Yeah, so the company that I actually ordered it from eBay. So the company's called, we'll put the link in the bio as well. Good quality, eh? So we went with black. I don't know where the stitching is. I'm sure we'll see it in a bit. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I actually like the black, eh? Because you can see the baby blue stitching a bit more. So I'll just turn it around. Oh yeah, this is quite premium quality material, eh? I think this is going to look ace. Yeah, that's what I'll be using. It's quite strong.
Okay.
Hey guys, alright, so we are attempting to make this black because the headliner is black and we want it to match. I don't know how it's going to look, to be honest, but we've got some fabric paint. Yeah, so we'll give it our best. I started doing the corner now. Hopefully it looks alright. Alright, yeah guys, so as you can see we did the insulation there, yeah, and we actually had an attempt of doing the sunroof. It didn't go as planned because the one that I got off Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, was also broken. But anyway, alright, next we're going to install the headliner. We just need to make sure this is nicely out of the way.
Look, I'm doing it.
Hi guys, yeah, so hopefully you guys will like the end result. I know I do. It's a big difference compared to what it was. I could remember like sitting at the back and then you can actually feel the headlining rubbing on your head. But saying that, we might have some clash with colors when it comes to the interior. You'll notice it as well. Let me know if we should black it out or maybe do something else with it. Leave your opinion or comments, yeah, in the comment section, and yeah, let me know what you think. But yeah, let me show you how it looks. Follow me. Alright guys, that's basically it. Stay tuned, please like, subscribe, and even if you want to press the bell icon and get notified for any future updates and uploads. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted regarding the MR2. And we've got a few bits also outstanding on the Land Rover. Yeah, but like, subscribe and follow. Yeah, cheers. Hi guys, alright, just a quick update. I basically came to the garage, just made sure I gave the correct number. Because to be fair, I was working nights and I might have slipped up with a number or two. You never know, so just left my number again. And as you can see, the car's still here. Very rough state. But yeah, we're gonna basically see if it's meant to be, it will be. But I'm very positive, keeping fingers crossed, and we can only hope for the best, you know. So please like and follow, subscribe, and yeah, join me on this journey, and we'll see. Hopefully we'll be able to turn this into a masterpiece.